A customer with a 2014 Toyota Camry. They went to the dumpster, throw some trash out. Somehow, their key got broke, and it was stuck in ignition, and it broke completely, and it got stuck in ignition. So I had to get that out because they were trying to force it out. But I'll be back with a part 2 once I get them some new keys. All right, just finished programming them 2 new keys, and they are good to go. I don't know how long they've been stuck at this dumpster, but they are good to go. All right, now this is a job 2014 Toyota Camry.